Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add transitions in scene in OBS. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Right here, as you can see, I have created these two scenes. Right now, I just want to add a transition in between them. Well, it's quite easy. At the bottom of the screen, you can see something called as Scene Transitions. Currently, I have selected it on Stinger. Right next to it, you will see these buttons called as Transition Properties. Click on it and hit on Properties once again. Once you do, what you guys need to do is simply select the video file, that is your transition file. I'm gonna select it right now. Well, I have selected the transition file. Do you note that you can also change the transition point as well? I'm gonna change it and I'm just gonna scroll down. Right here, as you can see, here are some settings like audio monitoring, audio fade style and everything. Simply select whatever you wish. Now I'm just gonna hit on preview transition. And guys, this is it. This is how my transition will be. It's okay with me, so I'm simply gonna hit on OK. Now let's try it on the real deal. I'm gonna shift from final scene to scene 2. Let's do it right now. And guys, as you can see, it has shifted. That is it guys. That's how we shift from scenes using transition. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.